Welcome to the heart of innovation, where the skies are limitless and dreams take flight. This is Rectron, a place where passion meets purpose and every journey begins with a commitment to our core values. We don't just soar, we inspire. We believe in fostering a community built on trust, where skies are the only limit, and the horizon is the canvas of endless possibilities. Trust is the foundation of our flight. Respect is the wind beneath our wings, lifting us higher. Partnership is the navigation that guides us through every challenge. Responsibility is our attitude, ensuring we rise to every occasion. And improving lives is our destination, where the impact of our journey resonates far beyond the clouds. Our commitment goes beyond the horizon, reaching communities through our CSI projects. These aren't just videos. They are the embodiment of our values in action, the tangible proof of the positive change we create. Together, we summit the peaks of excellence. Our customers aren't just partners, they are the co-pilots on our journey, sharing the highs and conquering the lows. These videos are the echoes of success, the camaraderie of triumph, and the joy of shared victories. From internal celebrations to customer events, every moment is a testament to our dedication. We take pride in blending the threads of our story, weaving a tapestry of shared experiences that define us. As the sun sets on another day of achievement, we stand united, driven by our values and fueled by the collective spirit of Rectron. Together we celebrate trust, respect, partnership, responsibility, and the commitment to improving lives. We are Rectron.